Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use call screening on your iPhone. Now, a new feature in iOS 26 allows you to screen unknown or potentially spam or fraudulent calls. I'll show you exactly how it works. Let's first just turn it on by tapping on the Settings app of your iPhone. Let's scroll to the bottom. Tap on Apps at the bottom. Scroll down until you find Phone on this list. Tap on Phone. Scroll down again until you get to Screen Unknown Callers. If you have this set to Never, calls from unsaved numbers will just ring normally. Or you can switch this to Ask Reason for Calling. It says calls from unknown or some unsaved numbers will be asked for more information before the iPhone rings. Or you can choose Silence to silence all unsaved numbers, but they will be sent to voicemail and you will get their voicemail if they do decide to leave one. Keep in mind, this is not available in every country. In the United States, it is currently available. If you select Ask Reason for Calling, it will look like this when somebody calls. You can see Call Screening. It says iPhone is asking the caller for their name and why they're calling. And then you'll be able to see a transcription of what they say. It'll say something like, hey, this is Mike, your plumber, that you asked me to, come by at 2 o'clock. I'm just calling to confirm that. If you're okay with answering that, you can tap on View and slide to answer the call, or by seeing who it is, you can also choose to not pick up that call if you choose to do so. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.